And that right there, the knee, not the children here, not the babies, is the reason for this video today. Well, most of you are familiar with the Great Wall of Saiger. It's turned out great. Sorry, all that smoke in the background. That's wildfires going on up north of us, Canada again. Sorry, Canadian friends, I know you're not trying to do it, but right down here, this is the problem that started everything from this video. It's right down there. I was setting some of these lights that I have there yet. I was standing right there, I lost my footing, and boom. And that tree down there, has a bunch of sprigs and things I chopped off earlier this spring, and I landed right on them. By landing on them, I ran a stick through my eye. Also hit the rocks. I've got now on my eye socket, it's got fractures. And anyway, I'm alive.
Mark, you good?
No, I'm bleeding from my eye. I lost my eye.
Something. He went into this. Yes. And then he hollered right away and said, I think I just lost my eye.
I don't know if you can.
Mark's nerve damage twitch. Flopping around. Wow. The knee has been problems and losing stability, but I came down here standing and all of a sudden, you can see in the video where my knee just kind of went. It's probably the nerve damage and it's been getting a little more severe. I have some other issues, but did you find it?
I think it was this stick right here.
That stick right there? Well, I'm not saving it.
A fresh break.
Yeah, fresh break.
That's right here.
Fresh break and stuff down there. Oh yeah, there's the fresh, that's,
Broke right off.
woo! That's what got me maybe. Nice.
Yeah, this is a fresh break right here.
Good grief.
But the rest is whole. This is just strong stuff that barely bends.
Wow. Yeah, well, I bounced pretty good for an old guy. Yeah. She's saying I might have taken that branch right there.
Feel how that barely
Yeah.
moves. It is.
Oh, I felt
There
it.
was no give to that.
I felt it in my head, trust me. Hi, I need some dog videos. Puppies. Yep. All right, we're not going to go for right now. I know. We're not making you stay at Brady's, though. You gave him a 4 out of 5 rating only because he didn't have enough dog biscuits, did he? But otherwise, it'd be a 5 out of 5. We'll fix that. Little squirt. Talking about who was screaming in the video. We thought it was Holly. I thought it was Nora. Found out it's our oldest grandson, Logan. All right, which you won't hear in the video. See, I was setting these little lights right here. Well, anyway, there's a stake that's in there, and they just go in here and they're nice little lights. So that's what I was trying to put in there when I fell. What's she got, Miley? What has she got? We're celebrating.
Mark still has an eyeball.
You still have an eyeball. We're down here and rebooting the computer. You didn't get ice cream cake yet? Well, what? Did you get any ice cream cake for me? No. She's just happy we're all home, aren't you? She is so happy. Poor little thing. Traumatized. Our good girls. Alrighty. This wasn't the video I was going to do this week. Obviously, it's changed up a bit, and I didn't get time to edit it. Well, everybody, I'd like to personally thank all the emergency people that showed up. I heard amazing stories of, even like at the fire department, people were leaving their jobs to go as volunteer to get to the stations to come be here, and all the people that did show up for emergency, the helicopter crew. I mean, amazing. That my doctors, I mean, I can't thank you all enough. My family, oh my goodness, what I just put you through. Thank you so very much. And the thousands of you that have reached out. But I also got to say, I look forward to seeing you again soon. Gotta have a bad dad joke in a Saiger video. He's all freaking out because Luna jumped over the lily pad. What? Is Mom coming too? Oh, Mom, hurry it up!